Today we are creating some fun art. Pouring paint is a fun way to dabble in painting without needing to commit a lot of time or energy. This piece we did today, we finished in less than 10 minutes, so let's get into it. For this pour, we are going to grab 3 or 4 colours and white. All of the colours in the SuperCell range work well together. So pick your 4 favourite colours. I'm going with teal, cadmium red, navy blue and bright yellow. Grab the canvas, wooden stick and straw for this technique. First I'm going to cover the whole canvas in white. We just need enough to thinly cover. So pour some on and feel free to add more white paint if you feel you need it. Next we are going to add our chosen colours. There's no exact science to this, but I'm just creating a little swirl with the colours in the middle of the canvas. Make sure to shake the bottles before pouring. I start with teal, then cadmium red, then navy, then bright yellow. It's better to over pour a little rather than under pour. Add a nice ring of white around the edge of the colours that you've put out, and you'll need quite a bit of paint for this step. Now grab the straw and start blowing paint across the canvas. Try blowing from different directions to fan the paint out. You should see all the paint starting to create little patterns and colours revealing other colours underneath. You can add more paint or more white paint if you need, but essentially keep turning and blowing until you're happy with your piece. Put it aside and dry. This may take a while, up to a day or 2. Well, thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed and learnt something today. Stay creative and we'll see you next time.